Hello everyone, and welcome back to KTiPs. If you're new here, welcome to the journey where we master containers together. This video is part of a series designed to guide both beginners and experienced developers on how to work with containers like Docker. In the first video of this playlist, we explored why developers should work with containers, how they simplify development, streamline deployments, and ensure consistent environments across systems. If you haven't watched it yet, click the link appearing now or check out the link in the description below. I highly recommend starting there to understand the why before jumping into the how. Today, we'll take the next step and learn how to install Docker on Ubuntu. If you're using Windows, be sure to check out my other video specifically covering the installation process on Windows. Visit the link popping up now, and I'll also include it in the description. Docker is one of the most widely used containerization platforms, celebrated by developers globally for its ability to standardize applications across environments, making it perfect whether you're building microservices, running AI or ML workflows, or simply experimenting. By the end of this video, you'll have Docker installed and ready to use on your Ubuntu machine. So, let's jump right in and get started. For this demonstration, I'll be using Ubuntu 24.04. First, we need to download the Docker Desktop installation package. Open your browser and search for how to install Docker Desktop on Ubuntu. Click the first link. It should take you to the official Docker documentation. I've included the link in the video description for your convenience. Once on the Docker documentation page, scroll down to the section titled Install Docker Desktop. In Step 2, you'll find a link to download the latest .deb installation package. Click on it to start the download. When the download is complete, open your terminal and navigate to the Downloads folder. Before installing, it's always a good idea to update your system. Run the command sudo apt-get update. Enter your password when prompted, and let the system complete the update process. Now, let's install the package we just downloaded. Use the command sudo apt-get install /docker desktop amd64.deb. During the installation, you may be asked to confirm if the package can allocate space on your system. Just accept it to proceed. Once the installation is complete, it's time to launch Docker Desktop. Run the command systemctl start Docker Desktop. According to the Docker documentation, we need to add the flag user. Alternatively, you can launch Docker Desktop from your Applications menu. Simply search for Docker Desktop, select it. When Docker Desktop starts, the first thing you'll need to do is accept the Docker Subscription Service Agreement. Next, you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have a Docker Hub account, you can enter your credentials here. If you don't have an account yet, no problem, you can skip this step for now and log in later. After logging in, or skipping, Docker will ask you to specify your role. This helps Docker tailor resources to your professional needs. For instance, if you're a student, select Student. If you're a full-stack developer, choose Full-stack Developer. As for me, since I'm a data scientist, I'll select Data Scientist. You'll also have the option to specify how you plan to use Docker Desktop. If you're not sure yet, you can leave this blank and click Continue. To access the Docker Desktop dashboard, simply click the Docker icon in the top right corner and select Go to Dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully installed and launched Docker Desktop on your Linux system. You can check the installed version with Docker version. To explore available commands, use Docker help. To stop Docker desktop, open your terminal and run system/user stop Docker desktop. Alternatively, you can use the Docker icon in the top right corner. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into Docker, exploring how to create and manage Docker images, containers, and much more. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.